Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is the day that we finally, after months of saying that I've been doing... Today is the day we are finally bringing the truck to Mike's shop to get wired up, to get the ECU all running and the actual engine running. Earlier today I went down to my friend Dan's shop and got the exhaust all welded up. Way over there. It turned out pretty good. Dan did have some troubles welding it as well. Pretty much, I think the issue is that I grounded the ends down a little bit too much. I'm really tired though. I'm in a rush. I need to stop talking and start working. We need to put the exhaust back onto the truck and we have to load the truck onto the trailer. I'm supposed to be going to go look at furniture for Audrey and I's new apartment in an hour and it's 30 minutes away. So I have 30 minutes to put an exhaust on and load the truck onto the trailer. That's not gonna happen, but let's go ahead and get started and then we can drive it to Mike's shop tomorrow. Let's do this. This is the last step. Last step until this thing runs. Exhaust looks very, very cool, even though the little finish plate isn't on. Sadly, the exhaust definitely warped a little bit during welding because it didn't really fit back up. It was about ½ an inch off, so you kind of had to stretch it to get it back on, and it very well might leak at the front V-bends now. That's okay. Worst case scenario, we can cut a little section out and add a flex pipe. That'll fix everything, and we probably should have done that anyway. Just kind of sucks because we don't have time for that right now, so we'll probably tune it with an exhaust leak, if there is an exhaust leak, which there might not be. I'm really surprised it did warp though, because I tacked that thing up a lot. It was pretty well held together before we started welding, but I mean, welding's hot and hot metal is, well, liquid, so liquid flows, and never mind, you know what, science. Let's load this thing up on a trailer. I'm in a little bit of a rush, so I didn't film it, but the truck is loaded on the trailer. In this weather, the bus honestly takes 40 minutes to reach operating temp. The cooling system on the thing is ridiculous. Good for towing, but ridiculous for warming it up before driving it in the winter. If you're wondering how furniture shopping, well, it wasn't really shopping, but furniture picking upping went last night and it went good. Tomorrow's the day Audrey and I move out. I'm really excited. I know a lot of you guys are telling me not to buy Starbucks and save money. Once Audrey and I move out, we're gonna make a dope coffee bar in our new apartment. So I'll be able to make all the lattes and coffees that I want, whenever I want, for essentially free, besides cost of materials. Cost of materials. Materials. Another thing we have to load up, we have to get all the parts that Mike might need in order to wire in this new ECU. We're gonna get the entire old truck wiring harness. We're gonna get all of the Lexus wiring harness and all the Lexus sensors that I have. We're gonna give it all to him just in case he needs any of it to make the engine work. I tried to fill up the trailer tires with a bike pump. Nah, that was gonna take literally forever. They're about 20 PSI low. I'm gonna try to find a tire shop willing to inflate trailer tires on the way there. But yeah, the bus hasn't quite warmed up yet, but it's pretty much there. We can drive. We need gas too. well, we need diesel, so a couple stops we have to make, but hey, that's all right. I am, for once, ahead of schedule. They repaved this! What? Oh, it's so smooth! Oh my goodness. Mike always talked about how they were gonna repave this, and they finally did. Look at that! Brand new. Ooh, that's nice. Only if they would have done that when I still had a shop here. That would have been amazing, but no. Here we are. The rally course. Anyone remember the rally course? Mike's semi that made like 80 wheel horsepower. Throwback. I don't really know where he wants me to park. Oh, there's a K Miata too. Oh, there's a lifted Miata over there as well. It's really weird being back here. That was the old shop right there. Who remembers that? I certainly do. I'm also certainly glad I'm no longer there. It took me like 40 minutes to get here. I do not miss having to drive this far every single day. But let's go ahead and find Mike or whatever. Door handle stopped working. Straight back. Funny how much smaller my truck is compared to this one. Bye. Mike was not there, so we couldn't get the truck actually loaded in yet. I will talk to him about ETA and stuff, and I will let you guys know. For now, I'm going to head back and start packing and moving more stuff, because tomorrow is move day. I also want to get some tacos. Bye, Mr. Truck. Boom. Everything is back to where it's supposed to be. Home sweet home. Dusty, sweet Dusty. Complete mess. Complete mess. I'm really happy. I've unloaded and loaded that trailer so many times. I can do it in like 5 minutes. So awesome. I will say, trailering a car around, God, I just want to go to the track again. It's just such good memories taking cars to tracks and having fun with friends, and I miss it. I haven't gone in a while because I haven't gone since we started the drift truck because we were so busy with the drift truck that we never went with the Rally Miata or with the Turbo Miata. But soon we will go back to one, whether it's in a different state where there's still track events or whether it's in springtime here. But either way, today was a huge success. Truck is now at Mike's shop. Hopefully we'll take a couple of weeks. I'm gonna ask him how long it's gonna take. Hopefully I can film most of the process for you guys. So I talked to Mike a little bit. The good news is that I can film everything, so I'll be going over to Mike's shop a couple days and filming the whole process of installing the ECU and wiring that in, and the first startup and dynoing it. So I'm really excited about that. As you guys might be able to tell, no longer in me and Audrey's crammed room in my mom's house. We're in our own apartment. I'll show you guys around in the next video. I have my own office, but I don't have a desk yet, so that's why I'm in the kitchen right now. Have a new chair, new furniture. Axel's here. He's doing great. So stay tuned for the apartment video. Stay tuned for more truck stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm sorry it was a little short. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like. If you didn't enjoy the video, please give it a dislike, but tell me why. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We are about to have a running V8 powered mini truck that does skids. So I'm really excited. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.